What you are about to witness is not for the squeamish or the faint of heart. It is something that few people can tolerate. It is the noise. This has been the noise. Now that you have heard the noise, here are some situations that it should not be used. Do not use the noise at a job interview. This does not give a good impression to the prospective employer.
And saving Tokyo and over 10 million people from certain death. The blockade is ready. The only
Never use the noise on a date. This will annoy your companion. So if you ever experience this, please be courteous and stay away from others. The noise is not a nice thing. Help stop the noise. This has been a public service of this station and the Office of Noise Prevention.